Palos Verdes High School, where students become scholars, where athletes become champions, and where creativity has no limits. But PV High is more than just a school. It's where excellence is found in every seeking. It's where you'll find that no goal is out of reach. And this is where you'll find your wave. Offering 32 AP courses and 22 honors classes, incoming freshmen are given a wide variety of classes to fit their academic needs.
World History AP is a college-level class. The AP stands for Advanced Placement because students can get college credit by passing the course and by passing the AP exam. And that they're with chains to them. They are learning how to write and how to express themselves in ways that are going to help them in all their classes.
And freshmen are given the opportunity to take both World History AP and AP Computer Science principles.
Is a basic introduction to computer science, and we cover things about cybersecurity and how the internet works, and we do a little introduction to coding. So it's a great place for them to get introduced to the AP curriculum and kind of get a taste for some other higher level classes that we offer.
And students can develop an expertise in multiple languages provided by the World Language Department.
Yongo, which is English, Yongo.
At PV High, we offer 4 languages. We offer Spanish, French, Korean, and Chinese. All the programs are very different. We offer a lot of different levels.
And if your scientific passion expands beyond the walls of the classroom, science research is the place for you.
So science research is a period 7 independent class where students can choose any topic in science that they want and conduct their own science investigation.
It's interesting to be able to kind of like explore our interests in certain scientific areas outside of class.
Because it's a period 7 class, what that means is they're meeting with me before school, after school, or at lunch on their own time.
And for students that would like a little extra help with their classwork, organization skills, and college preparation, AVID provides all 3.
AVID is a 4-year academic elective, and it's designed to help not only being accepted to college, but having the skill set behind them to ultimately graduate from college.
So AVID's really helped me with a lot of things. The biggest is organizational skills. It's also helped a lot with test prep. I don't really have the time outside of school to prepare as much as I'd like to for college tests and stuff like that, so it's nice to have that in class. And then same thing with just classwork.
With PV High's block schedule, each class period allows students enough time to fully understand the class's material.
We meet every other day with our students, and the classes are twice as long.
It gives you another night to do your homework and focus on different classes each day.
And every Wednesday morning, students are rewarded with a late start.
I love late start. It helps me get through the week and gives me an extra 2 hours of sleep.
With an outstanding academic department with teachers and staff that genuinely care about your performance.
Take advantage of all the wonderful programs PV High has to offer, because all hands are on deck to ensure your academic success here at PV High. I'm Jamie Robertson from Palos Verdes High School.